Okay.
Well, today on the Let's Do Dumb Shit channel, we have a vacuum cleaner and 4 pounds of Tannerite. I've never set off 4 pounds of Tannerite. Just 2. And 2 was loud. So we'll see how 4 goes. I got the first one in there already. In the pristine vacuum cleaner. If you've never shot Tannerite before, it's highly recommended. Highly recommended. Just back the fuck up. I said fuck. It's gonna go on YouTube. I'm gonna demonetize my video. It's not like I have. It's not like I even have 100 subscribers. But this should be fun. 223 Remington. We'll take some shots of the clay pot first in the beer bottle just to make sure we're on target. And then we'll back way the fuck up. We'll see what happens. Should be an interesting day. I'm gonna be completely surprised if we're not covered in fucking vacuum cleaner by the end of this. And we're gonna be pretty far away. This is always the most nerve-wracking part. I feel like it's gonna blow up. But it's not. Well, we'll see you when we're ready. Well, there you have it, folks. 4 pounds of fucking Tannerite. This is gonna be a big boom. Yeah, we're gonna have a lot of vacuum to clean up after this. Okay. Should we try and turn it on and vacuum real quick?
No.
Alright, well, should we wind up the cord at least? Alright, well, let's shoot these clay pots first in that bottle, just to make sure that we're on target. And we'll see you out there. Well, I'm guessing when we're done, there's going to be a little hole right here. Because the last time we blew up that desk, there was a little hole in the ground. And actually, I think there was a piece of wood underneath of it. But you can tell this is definitely the shooting spot. You got, you know, your nice 42-inch flat screen TV out here. Oh, God. Even though it's broken, that's still painful to step on. All right. We got the old Savage rifle out. 223. Holds 4 shots. And we have 4 targets. Oh, so I can't miss. Or else I have to walk all the way back over here and get some bullets. Is that a bird? Did you hear that? What the fuck? There's not going to be too many birds around for a minute after this. They're going to be fucking running for the hills. I guess I could put 1 in the chamber so I have 5 shots. I think that's actually what I'm going to do. The old bolt action, you don't go through too much ammo. I think I bought 200 rounds when I bought this gun, and I still have like 150. Alright, got 1 in the chamber. Put 1 more in there so I don't have to walk all the way back over here. Alright. We'll see you over there. We'll do some test shots real quick. We'll shoot I'll go for the pot, and then I'll go for the beer bottle, and then we'll see where we're at. So, go ahead and zoom in so you can see. Tell me when you're ready. You ready to go? Alright, so let's go for that clay pot first. Smoked it! We are right on target. Alright, let's go for the beer bottle next. Ooh, I missed. Missed the beer bottle. Alright, I think we're going to go right for the Tanner right now. Alright, so we got our perfectly non-functioning vacuum cleaner full of 4 pounds of Tannerite. And we're going to get ready. Maybe scoot to the right a little bit. I don't expect that nothing's going to happen here. Keep going. Get that tree out of your way. Right about there. Alright, are you ready? Huh? Ready? Alright, here's a 223 versus a thing of Tannerite. 4 pounds in a vacuum. 5, 4, 3, 2. Woo! Damn, look at that plume. Holy shit. Well, I don't think we have a pot left. It might have broke. That was a fucking good one. Wow. Well, there's part of it. There's a part over there. I saw that piece fly way up in the air. Well, we definitely have a little bit of a crater going on. It blew all that grass away. Well, there's the point of all impact. There's that pot. I don't know where the other pot went. It's just gone. There's a piece. There's a piece. Oh, here's that other pot. It's right there. Here's the oh man. There's the motor. Oh man. Well, that was definitely one way to throw away a vacuum cleaner. It even knocked some paint off that sign. Like I said, if you ever have the chance to mess around with Tannerite safely, it's a lot of fun. That was 4 pounds. That was the most I've ever shot. So, well, we'll see you next time.